What's up?
Aiden, where are you at?
God is good.
God is great. God is great.
Yeah, mama, what's up? Hey, auntie.
I really want all the women in the room to stand up because I feel like I don't get here without you guys.
Whoopi Goldberg.
Zenzi, you're the best wife and mom in the world. Every day I get to spend with you is better than the one that came before it.
40 years I've been chasing Sydney. They finally give it to me. What they do? They give it to him the same night. I'll always be chasing you, Sydney. I'll always be following in your footsteps.
It is a long journey to this moment.